Let's discuss staining and glazing BruxZir shaded anterior restorations. We recommend using a low fusing stain and glaze. For best results, use a shaded stump material of the prescribed shade of the preparation to achieve an accurate final Vita shade. For this case, featuring teeth numbers 6 through 11, we used the BruxZir shaded anterior 150 block to closely match the incisal of a Vita A2 shade. The BruxZir anterior restorations should be completely centered, dry, and clean. Using a triple zero size brush, begin by wetting the brush with stain liquid. Then pick up the A shade stain and apply it in even vertical strokes across the labial surface of the body and gingival halves of the restorations. Blend the stain color with vertical strokes to eliminate any thick areas and to ensure a homogeneous blending of the stain color. Check against the shade tab to ensure the color is correct. Clean the brush completely, then pick up the blue stain and apply it to the incisal third of the restorations. The stain should disappear into the body color with no visible demarcation line. Check against the shade guide to ensure that the shade matches. Place on the peg and fire using the stain glaze cycle. The final temperature should be 790 degrees Celsius. Once cool, check the crown against the shade guide to ensure the color is correct. Next, it's time for glazing BruxZir shaded anterior restorations. Using a 000 brush, pick up the glaze and apply a thin, uniform layer of glaze over the entire external surface of the crown. Use care when applying the glaze to prevent any from carrying over the margin or onto the internal surface of the crown. A good habit is to take a clean brush that has been dipped in stain liquid and wiped to ensure all glaze is removed, and wipe the inside marginal areas of the crown to clean off any glaze that was accidentally placed inside. If any adjustments need to be made to the shade, use the appropriate stain and add to the area in question. Blend to eliminate any thick areas. Check against the shade tab to ensure the color is correct. Place on a peg and fire using the stain glaze cycle. The final temperature will be 790 degrees Celsius. Once cool, verify with a Vita shade guide that the shade is correct. Visually inspect the crown to ensure that the glazed surface is smooth and even. Finally, check the inside of the crown to verify that there is no glaze inside the crown.